Start an escort service for all the right reasons and set up shop at the top of Four Seasons. Kid Rock and I'm the real McCoy and I'm headed out west. I'll be a cowboy, baby. Cowboy, baby. I'll be a cowboy, baby. I can smell a pig from a mile away. I bet you'll hear my whistle blowing when my train rolls in. It goes like dust in the wind.
That's real luxury right there.
Yo, my cane.
You're messing this thing all up.
Your camera did.
Chop Daddy.
Shopping out.
Yeah, I know. Now it sounds better. No, the cops can't see in here, and you're freaking running around throwing your seatbelt on. Just because this guy, he can't see in. It looks like a drug cartel.
Well,
You're sitting here flailing around for your
Real
seatbelt. He ain't got nothing for the tow cam. Seems a bad bitch will eat him up all day. Here he comes. Look at him. Yeah! It's a 6-cylinder! Fuck yeah! Look at him kicking ass! Yeah, dude! Fuck yeah, send it! Bad bitch!
Have a good day, and all my homies wanna ride today, and all these mommies look fly today, and all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day, and ain't nobody gotta cry today, 'cause ain't nobody gonna die today. You can save that trouble for
Here we are, home sweet home. What's up, you gangster motherfucker?
I'm actually on a diet, but this weekend we're making an exception. Go to their ranch, dump that shit right in there.
That's like,
No, that tow cam.
that's that roll of cocaine.
It's like pink rock.
No, it's not. It's white.
What is there pink in there?
Gross.
Mitch, I got something for you. This is your tester. What the fuck are you doing over there?
If it's past it or go by, so I take a pass.
You're pissing?
Get ready to.
Oh, well, we got a bag for you.
What the fuck is wrong with you idiots?
I don't fucking know.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. I need a cinder block. See if it holds up.
I told you they're strong.
Oh, you think that's gonna hold?
No, it's not really on there completely, but you know, it looks. I mean, whatever. Not mine. This thing kicks ass. Fucking Walmart brand. This thing's stronger than the fucking Snap-on.
I can hear the streets calling. I can hear the streets calling. Thinking about them licks I hit, I had to. Thinking about the viewers, I had to. Thinking about
What do you think of that, boy?
Made a couple bucks.
Bro, it's like 10 o'clock.
Holy shit.
Rise and fucking shine.
Fucking kicking ass and taking names, man.
Fuck yeah. With the double D's.
Back from the old school. Got more money than Matchbox 20. Get more ass than Mark McGrath. They say I'm cocky, and I say what? It ain't right.
Got him. That was a good race, though.
You gotta be confident, my friend. You gotta take out your older brother. Say, I'm the king now.
I've been the king. Been it once on the street, fucking 2017, and on the track.
You gotta give your brother a message.
I got something for on Jeremy's ass.
He's talking shit. He said he's been the king since 2017.
Somebody caught on fire, guys. Which
Which
brother caught on
I'm
fire?
gonna assume it was Chris.
I think it's David.
Where the fucking hose are. That's why I was skating all over the place.
Oh, really? Spraying or not?
No. I treat the fuck out of it.
I know you did.
sir. Ron Jeremy Lawn.
Sound a little something, but damn the game if it don't mean nothing. What is game? Who got game? Where's the game in life? Behind the game, behind the game. I got game, she got game, we got game, they got game, he got game. It might feel good, it might sound a little something, but the game if it ain't saying nothing. Damn.
Fuck your chassis car. That's fine. I just treat the shit out of them.
Yeah, buddy.
They
You're a
called
bad
it. They said
bitch.
he got it.
What?
Not even a frame.
Dude.
They need a better phone than an
One
iPhone.
frame.
One frame?
One frame.
How many frames per second was it in?
Cell phone.
What do you think about tonight?
It was fun.
Yeah? We did pretty good.
Just as a reminder to myself, I wear every single chain, even when I'm in the house, cause we started from the bottom, now we're here.